This is one GSM cordless handset phone. Look at this package. This one for one piece. It supports dual SIMs. We have two IMEI numbers. You can find this is the function. This is the model 942. This is the function features. Let's open it. This user manual. This is the handset. We have one cover like this one. This is the LCD cover. We can take it out. This is the power adapter. And this is the micro USB port. Look at this one. This one, the base, the phone base, the charging base. You can the gift box. This for the harness battery. The battery is inside here. Handset, base, power adapter, the user manual. Okay. Let's check the phone now. Look at here. Here you can find this is one thing here. Let's open it. It's the battery. You can find here. It supports dual SIMs, SIM1, SIM2. And this is for the TF card, for memory card here, like this one. I use this battery. This battery is 1000 mAh Li-ion battery. You can find here. Let's put it here. And cover it. Find it here. This one is micro B. That's okay. Let's turn on it. It's the power off. Usually you will put this base, put here. Okay. Now it has dual SIMs. Wait. If you want to, the power is lower, you can use this one, power adapter here. You can put here. On the other side, you can charge the power. It's very easy. It can be working like a mobile phone. Here, you can understand. Let's make it here. The menu, clock, call center, message, phone book, profiles, clock, settings, FM radio, audio player, organizer. Let me check the setting. I think you wanna know this thing. Phone setting, time, date, language, English, France. We have 6 different languages. Spike, dedicated keys, up, down, left, right, like this one. Hide, wait. Security settings. Network setting. You can open dual SIM open or only one SIM 1 or SIM 2. Redstone. This message, inbox, draft, outbox, send message. Call center, call history. Call waiting, call divert, call balling, line switching. The phone book option, phone book setting. You can find there are also many functions. Back. Profiles, general, silent, check options, customize, ringtone. SIM 1, SIM 2 is also has 5 different ringtone volume. Now it's silent, mute. Message. We also have 6. Keypad tone or mute. Key tone volume. Power on, power off. Okay, let's check other functions. Audio plays. You have to insert memory cards with MP3 music. Then you can hear the music, the FM radio. You have to use an earphone. Then you can use the FM radio. Clock. Time format, day format, clock. As the OEM factory, we can print your own logo here, and let's turn off this now. Wait. Goodbye. For a little gift box, we can print your own logo and your brand. Our MQ of this model usually is 1,000 pieces. If you can order more quantity, the price will be better. But if you cannot order 1,000 pieces, you can also contact us. Maybe 300 or 500 pieces. But the lead time is also around 1 month or a little longer. Welcome to visit our website. We'll have more models for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye.